Okay, g'day. I am at the Victorian Caravan Camping Touring Super Show. I'm with Andrew from OzX Corp. Now, OzX Corp are at the forefront in terms of the electrification of caravans. Andrew, take it away. Tell us all about what you guys are doing because it's exciting.
Yeah, come and have a look. So what we've got here is our fish tank. This fish tank actually has a 14.3 kilowatt hour battery submerged.
14.3 kilowatt battery.
So we've designed this from the ground up. It's taken about 2 years to get to this point. It has full lithium redundancy systems in it, power control. It's all built in. You can submerge it like we're doing today to prove it. This system then links into, if you pan across here slowly, links into a turnkey one-stop shop power system. This does DC to DC charging, 5 kilowatt charging, up to 4,000 watts of solar, ATS, auto generator start. Basically, this does everything that you need the caravan to do for electrification.
So you would be talking about electric induction cooktops instead of a gas cooktop,
Correct.
Thanks to that underwater battery.
Correct.
Wow.
So you can actually fully electrify your caravan, and a few manufacturers here have done that.
So you guys launched this last year, as I recall, and the battery was a lot bigger.
Yeah, well, this is now Gen 3.
Okay.
Gen 3 is now the go to volume. So this will go to volume for everyone basically from April, May.
Right.
And it can be fitted up into any chassis with this system going under your cafe seating.
Yep.
And you can go full electric, you can go hybrid electric, gas electric. But the beauty is, if you come across here, is you can actually have real domestic products and turn these things on. You can smell the raisin bread in a minute, and even the coffee machine can warm up all at once. If you wake up in the morning and you want to make breakfast, just make breakfast.
And these are sort of a high current draw appliances too.
Yeah, these things don't mess around. So just this kettle alone, I think is, that one there is 2,200 watts. So,
2,200 watts?
Yes.
Yeah, wow.
So
are you powering all those appliances at the same time off that battery?
correct, yeah.
Wow.
Yep.
Okay.
But the battery,
you can't.
yeah, the battery is just actually idling along. It does it easy.
Yeah. And tell me about the motors.
So the motors, so if we scan across to here, this is our test caravan. We call it the Esky. This has done a lot of kilometres now around Australia, just doing basic algorithm development and motor development here. This here, when it's running, will regen this whole power system. So when you drive, it'll recharge the battery. And in the next version of this, is more like a 2021-22 version, it will start to actually negate the trailer from your vehicle.
So the motors will actually drive the wheels?
Correct. Yep. So that dead weight you feel as you drive along will start to disappear into a more smooth technique.
And that'll aid things like acceleration?
Acceleration, enjoyment, fatigue. You can park it remotely. You can turn it around. You can go rock crawling. You can diff lock it.
All while charging your onboard lithium battery.
Correct. And then when you pull up the camp, you've got 14,000 watts at your disposal for that night. It's just mad.
And what about solar? I mean, the van, is there a need to have solar input?
We've come around here, we've patented our own panels and mounting techniques for solar, so we can actually get high density solar onto a roof. It's self-cleaning, self-shedding, it's replaceable, it allows for thermal relief between the panel and the roof, so when your composites, you can't afford for your composites to get hot, and two, you don't want to transfer heat to your roof. So it's separated to improve the integrity, keep it cooler, and you can stack these and service them, and you can series them and retain your clips as per AS, I think 5122 and AS 3000. It's a smarter way to get high energy density of solar on your roof.
And these panels are your own design?
Correct, and they're available to the market basically from April onwards.
So you can sell these solar panels to other RV manufacturers?
Yes, all this is available to any RV manufacturer, all of it is.
And what's the uptake been? I mean, are you getting manufacturers actually, applying this technology to their vans yet?
Yes, so the one you'll see straight away here is ERV. They've got, I think there's two on exhibition here.
Sure.
There is Winnebago on an RV, which probably isn't here, I haven't seen, but up in Brisbane. Has it in it, and there's a couple others coming up that I can't talk about, and some really exciting stuff happening. So yeah, it's available to the market. Anyone can fit it, and it's a way to electrify and move to a domestic living.
The electrification of caravans, domestic living in your caravan, no more gas. electric drive motors on the wheels. I mean, this is the future of caravanning in Australia.